Hey guys, so welcome to S.T.E.M. We are in a dark room because today we're going to be making lightning.
Okay, so what you need is like a foil pie tin, kind of like this one. You need a bit of polystyrene and just sellotape it on to make a handle. And then you need a bigger block of polystyrene and preferably something woolen. So I've got a scarf to do it. So what we're going to do is you take your scarf and you're going to rub it over the polystyrene. So we're going to charge it up. So you need to rub it for a little while to try and get plenty of static electricity in there. Okay, we'll maybe try that. So then you're going to put your pie tin on top, and then if you touch it with your finger, I never seen.
I've seen it.